Hello everyone, welcome back to another SQL tutorial. In this lesson, we will talk about the delete statement. This is used to remove data from a table. SQL, let's get started. What is the SQL delete statement? The delete statement is used to remove one or more records from a table. Always use the where clause to specify which record to delete. Without it, all records in table will be deleted. Basic syntax: delete from table name, where condition. Demonstration using the Northwind database. Example 1. Delete a customer by ID. Delete from customer where customer ID equal 1. This will remove the customer with the customer ID of 1 from the customer table. Example 2. Delete products with price less than 10. Delete from products where price 10. This will remove all products where the price is less than 10.